Welcome to Story Time. Today we'll be reading A Culinary Kid Makes Soup, a garden-to-table storybook for kids. Read aloud by author Amy Dean. Illustrated by Rossi Sanflora.
The Culinary Kid wasn't in the mood for peanut butter and jelly. Instead, she decided to make soup to fill her belly. The garden is where fresh produce is grown. Vegetables ripen where seeds were sown. The Culinary Kid picked one onion to start. Next, she grabbed 3 carrots and pulled them apart. The celery stalks impressed everyone, but this year's garlic was second to none. The zucchini was crisp and fit for a king. Lastly, she needed a lemon for zing. This season's garden was a mighty fine crop. The Culinary Kid couldn't wait to go chop. She went to the kitchen and grabbed a large pot. An adult had to help since the stove was so hot. In went the vegetables packed with nutrition. Next were the spices, the kids' favorite addition. She poured vegetable broth and a bit more spice. To make the soup hearty, the kid added rice. The lemon juice was the last to go in. That's when she knew the dish was a win. Now that the room smelled so yummy, it was time to put the soup in her tummy. Wow, oh wow! The first slurp was delicious. She couldn't believe it was also nutritious. Included in each book is the recipe for the Culinary Kid's vegetable rice soup, including the ingredients and instructions. And a portion of each book sale will support community gardens in the United States. Happy cooking!